When it comes to cleaning, Sparkly Maid Miami has you covered, no matter the task. Whether you need a quick sprucing up or a deep, thorough clean, our professional team delivers spotless results every time. We specialize in Airbnb cleaning to make sure your guests are greeted with a pristine space. Have an apartment or house? Our apartment cleaning and house cleaning services ensure every corner shines. Need a same-day service? We've got you covered with our same-day cleaning option. For those tougher jobs, we offer deep cleaning and extreme deep cleaning to tackle the dirt and grime others leave behind. Our maid services provide regular care, keeping your home or office in top shape all week long. Running a business? Keep it professional with our office cleaning and medical practice cleaning services, designed to maintain a healthy environment for your staff and clients. We even offer green cleaning services for an eco-friendly touch. Moving in or out? Our move-in and move-out cleaning services ensure a smooth transition, while our post-construction cleaning tackles the dust and debris left behind after renovations. No space is too unique for us. From basement cleaning to balcony cleaning, carpet cleaning to floor cleaning, we make every part of your home sparkle. Our bathroom cleaning, kitchen cleaning, and living room cleaning services ensure that the heart of your home is always clean and inviting. Hosting a special event? We provide one-time cleaning and special event cleaning to make sure your space is perfect before and after the party. We also offer condominium cleaning to keep your building looking its best. At Sparkly Maid Miami, we don't just clean, we disinfect, ensuring your home or office is a safe and healthy place to live and work. Call Sparkly Maid Miami today and let us make your space sparkle.